Hello there, this is a quick SOP of how you can find profitable keywords to use in your PPC campaign for your listing. As we all know, every listing must run PPC, which means pay-per-click. In order to run profitable pay-per-click, you need to find keywords that are very relevant to your listing. And to achieve this, first you need to find your competitor and see what keywords works for them. Because your competitors gonna give you enough data to make more informed decisions. In this instance, we have the iStorm Pain Relief Gel. What we need to do, the easiest way to see who's targeting you, who's your competitor, you just need to scroll below. In this instance, we know our competitor, it's Biofreeze. And we can see that they are targeting, there is more products Biofreeze, so we know that it's actually a very big brand. To do it well and to get it right, first you need to find the competitor, and then you need to find the competitor that has a similar price with our product. In this instance, we are selling for £31. And then we have found our competitor again, which is Biofreeze, which sells at a similar price at £30. As well, we can see that they're generating quite good sales at £87,000. And what you need to have is seller sprite on the extension on the background so you can see this nice board. You're going to be able to see the total keywords, and what you need to do is you need to click on the total keywords, and once you get the list, you need again to click on the keywords, which are 180. Here you're going to see a mixed keyword of sponsor ads, of branded keywords, of organic keywords, of highly rated words. But what you need to do honestly is you need to just export. We won't work directly from this board here, we're just gonna export the file. Once we have the file, the main goal now is we need to find a very good organic keywords our competitor has, because these are the keywords of our competitor. So you need to go on the column I and you need to filter them from low to high. Because we have a very big list of keywords and we can't run PPC to all of them. It's gonna cost us a lot of money. So what we need to do is we need to search them from smallest to largest. So once we have the list, we need to narrow more down the searches. So in this instance, what I will do is I will go till the 30, and anything that is above 30 organic, I will consider it risky. And the reason is because I have enough data already above. I have a lot of keywords that are from organic 24, 18, 4, 5, and so on. So I will just remove them. Now, what I need to do is, after removing the keywords that have not very good organic ranking, I need to remove the branded keywords. So we can see that here there is a lot of keywords that says Biofreeze, which is the brand, our competitor. And we don't want as a first thing to run keywords that are branded. Because if customers are searching for Biofreeze, they're most likely they're gonna buy Biofreeze. So I will just go and remove them. So after removing the branded keywords, we can see that we have a smaller list of 73 keywords. Now what we need to do is we need to scroll on the right side and we need to go on the monthly searches. And now we need to keep the keywords that have a very good search volume. So we need to go on the column P, we need to filter them by high to low. Because of course we don't want to invest in keywords that have not enough data. So we need to go and click from large to low. Anything beyond the 300 point here, it just scraps. We don't need them, and there is no reason that we need to test them. So I'm just going to remove these keywords here. Now, what I need to do is I need to count how many keywords we have. At this point, we have 39 keywords, and as well, we have 123,000 in search volume of keywords that have good organic ranking, and that our competitor has very good organic ranking, that they have a healthy search volume, and they are not branded. So now what we need to do is we need to narrow it more down to stay between the 100,000 search volume. So what we need to do is we need to find the keywords that have high purchase rate. So we can go on the column T and we need to filter them from high to low. Now we can see that we have some good keywords on the top with good purchase rate like 20%, 16, 15, 15, 14, 12. So what I will do, I will remove anything that is below 1. So it's gonna be them 3. Now we have 113,000. These are good. As well, we have 36 different keywords to choose from. So just to narrow it more down, now I need to go on the PPC bid and see which keywords have high PPC bid. Anything above £1.30, let's say, £1.40. In this scenario, because I can see that there is actually some of them that are very low, and this is what I want. But what I don't want is I need to look all of them and I need to take some keywords that are very high in price. So this one is £4. I will remove it. I will reassess and see. We have now 107,000 left. I will try to remove a few more. £1.70. I will remove this one. Now we have 105,000 keywords left. I will go here down. I will remove the £1.50. How many we got? 104,000 left. I will remove this one again. We got 103. We can keep just removing a bit more. 160, 160. I'm gonna remove them ones. 2, 3. Let's see how many we got now. 96,000. I think this is pretty good. So 96,000 in search volume. Very good organic ranking. We can see organic ranking here. And as well, we can see that the monthly searches, they're decent. All of them, they have very good search volume. Some of them are low, but we're gonna pretty much test all of them. And they're pretty much only 26. If you take these 2 rows, they're pretty much 27 keywords, which are enough. And as well, let's not forget, we have a very good purchase rate. Nothing of this is below 1.3. Everything is above. So, and as well, the price for the PPC are decent. There is not something very high. All of the £1.60, £4, £3 has been removed. So we have a complete list of keywords we can use for our listing. And this way we're going to be more safe of where we are heading and where we are competing. Thank you.